Alright, welcome to the presentation of our Solidity project for the hackathon. So, features of this CLI software are to review smart contracts and look for vulnerabilities. And we combine static code analysis with AI code review for this project. And the setup is done with help of Paket X, which we will demonstrate shortly. And after the installation, we can run the Python script to actually analyze any smart contract. All right. For the setup, we assume that Python and pip are installed already. So we have prepared a Docker file to demonstrate this, and it's based on Python to make sure that pip and Python are available. To demonstrate how easy this CLI tool is to set up, we can build a Docker container locally, and then we can run a terminal inside the container to show that it's a clean and new container where we didn't pre-install anything. And then afterwards we will execute the setup script, so this we can also open and take a look already. I'm also gonna increase my font size here a little bit, so maybe it's easier for the recording. Alright, so now we can enter the Docker container and copy the command to execute the setup script. So what this will do is first we'll check if package X is installed already. If not, it's downloaded and installed. That's what's happening down here in the container right now. Then we are installing Solidity and also Node and npm, because we added a truffle and truffle flattener to make it possible to merge the code from different files into one single file in case it's a more complex smart contract. And then we also check if the environment variable exists already for the OpenAI API key. So this is what we use in the end as a large language model. We leverage the OpenAI API to talk to ChatGPT-4 and have it review our smart contracts together with the results from the static code analysis. So first we run the static code analysis, then we run truffle as well to combine the contract. So here it detected that we don't have an env file yet, so it's asking us to enter our API key, which I will do right now, and the setup is complete. The env file was created for us, and now that it's here, the setup is complete, the installation is complete, and we can run our actual code analysis using that main Python script, which we can also briefly go through. So we have a generate HTML report function. The result we can check out once the test is completed or the review is completed. We are removing comments optionally. This is because in the example contracts that we are using, there are already comments about which vulnerabilities are there, and we didn't want the LLM to use the comments to detect the vulnerabilities. That's why optionally we are removing them. And we continue to check here. Flattening the contract, as mentioned already, just merging from different files. Then we use Slither for the static code analysis. We have our prompt here where we combine the flattened code together with the Slither results and pass everything together as one single prompt to the LLM. And here we just call the OpenAI API to talk to GPT-4, basically. The flattening part we already discussed. Here is the function to run Slither for the static code analysis. And that's about it. No, sorry, this is actually the part where we combine all the other functions. So we are running Slither, but we are also doing the flattening, generating the prompt, and then sending the prompt actually to the LLM for the final result. And I think we got our result down here already. We got the report generated. So let's take a look at this. We can also open it in our default browser. Let's bring this over here. So this is our report file. We have the results from Slither here, static code analysis, and down here we have the AI audit findings. And we already found that there are quite some high severity vulnerabilities to check. And this is pretty much about it. Major credits definitely go to Peter Robinson and the Ethereum engineering group. So there's a great YouTube video which I can highly recommend to check out, where they talk exactly about this, and also they made their code available for the basic AI code review. They also discussed the idea of static code analysis in combination with AI code review, but they didn't implement it. So this is basically the innovative part of this project, to combine the two to get the best results. And for future work, I think it would be worth exploring if this list is actually complete, and how to optimize the prompt for even better results here. So I think there's definitely some room for improvement, but hopefully this is a good starting point to install it quickly and get your hands dirty and check it out and see how it can be improved further. Yeah, that's about it from my end. So thanks for your time and see you soon.